Hamster Combat Daily Saver. First you need to click Daily Saver. Click this. Today's zipper code is DAG. D-A-G. Okay. D-A-G. First we need to D. Tap and hold dash. Tap. Tap. Dot dot. Dash. Sorry. Dash dot dot. Okay. Tap and hold dash. Dot dot. D. Then we need A. Then we need A. Okay. Tap. Tap and hold. Sorry. Tap. Tap and hold. DA. Then you need Z. Okay. Tap and hold. Tap and hold. Tap. Then you need to click take the price. Then you click good job CEO. Okay. So that's it.